Look at that interior once again. Look at that. It's got 4 places for the aux. Aux 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, let's get to this walk around. You know, Jeep Gladiator time. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it, you know, with these walk-arounds. You know, I've been skipping on my walk-arounds, but, you know, we had to get back to it. You know, out here at Bob Howard Dodge, located here in Edmond. Shout out to my boy, Taylor Cole. He's the manager, and shout out to Ming. They're the managers. So they're the ones allowing me to get in these vehicles, to do the walk-arounds for you guys. So I appreciate them. You know, that's one thing, too, about building good relationships and having long-lasting relationships. You know, I haven't worked for Ming since I was selling cars, and I haven't worked with Taylor since we were selling cars together, but I appreciate them letting me, you know, come check out these vehicles and, you know, do the walk-arounds. But yeah, let's get to it. We're in this 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Has 13 tire loads, so we need to go get that aired up. 13,766 miles, and this is a used car, so somebody drove this car and then traded it in. It's only got 13,000 miles. When cars get like this low, I always wonder, like, you know, what do they trade them in for? Do they just like trade them in, you know, like the downside, or, you know, get cheaper payments, or, you know, just didn't like the vehicle? But you never know. It's a number of things why people trade in cars. But yeah, let's get to it. It's 2020 Jeep Gladiator Overland 3.V6 black clear coat. Look at that. Let's get, you know, yeah, you know, we always have the butterfly open for you guys. You know, get that nice look. What y'all think? Nice lights. AC going, clean all the way, ready to. And they got this vehicle online priced at $49,500. So let me know if that's a good deal. I don't know exactly how much these Jeep Gladiators go brand new. $49,500. So basically $50,000 for this vehicle. I mean, I know Jeeps are expensive and Jeeps hold their value. So, you know, so this is basically just a Jeep with a bed. So I know this is going to hold this value very well too. Okay, I can see that turns a little low. I'll let them know. So we'll get that taken care of. You know, got the AC on full blast. Got the trunk bed part. Me, not a big fan. Not the biggest fan. I like Jeeps personally, but I don't like that bed part of it. That just makes it look very ugly to me. I don't know. I just don't like it. You know, some people might like it. You know, got the backup camera, you know, towing package already. You know, I like the back lights, but I just don't like the bed. I just don't like it. Like, it's a Jeep. It's basically just a Jeep with a bed, and I just, when I look at it, I just don't like it. You know, but you know, some people like the look. You know, leather interior. You know, one thing I liked about the Jeep is like how removable they are and how you can customize them up. But look at this, you know, got all the features for you. Got the heated steering wheel, the heated seats. I forgot what that button is. You know, got the AC cycling. You know, got the media outlets, the aux, the 4-wheel drive, Overland edition. You know, look at that. Take the roof off. Got your garage door opener, low 13,000 miles, Bluetooth. Look at that thing. Now let's close it up and give you, close it down. Oh. Now let's give you a walk around of it. Closed up, you know. Now let's take a look at it. How she look? Does she look like she's worth $50,000? I don't know. You let me know. Y'all let me be the judge. I know Jeeps are expensive. And I know this is hot. You know, I know people like this, but hey, you know, like I said, I'm not a fan of the bed. But hey, some people are. Like overall, it's, I mean, it rides and drives very good. I mean, but you know, that's all cars, all newer cars, you know. It's always funny to me, be like, oh, this car rides really good. I mean, that's what you expect when you come in and look at a new car. But it rides very good. It doesn't have like that truck type rough ride feel, probably because like the wheelbase is longer, so it gives it like that smoother ride. But it doesn't have that truck type ride to it. That's one thing, that's one positive I like about it. But I just can't get over the bed part. But you know, let's look. Just can't get over the bed part. You got a little decent sized bed though. You know, got your little cargo outlet back here. You know, so if you go camping, you know, you're not out there straight. Good for camping. It's a good little walk around of that thing. You know, go. So, as you can see, we got this 2020 Jeep Overland, you know. 2020 is located here out in Edmond at Bob Howard Chrysler Jeep and Dodge. Even if you're not from here, you can still purchase the vehicle. They'll do all the financing and paperwork for you over line, and they'll get it shipped to you if this is something that you're interested in. You know, I don't know how much they charge to transport vehicles, just depends on where you're at, but overall, you know, it's a nice vehicle. I couldn't see myself driving it, but hey, let me know below. Could you see yourself driving this vehicle? Me, I couldn't, but hey, comment below and let me know if you can see yourself driving this vehicle, and let me know if $49,500 is a good price for this vehicle. You know, they had it listed at like $56,000, so it's marked down to about $50,000. So I think that's a fair deal. But hey, I don't know for sure. But let me know below if this is something that you would drive. I appreciate the love and support. We're gonna keep these Wednesday walk-arounds going on. Comment below if it's a certain car that you may be interested in that you want me to do a walk-around on, and I'll do my best to try to find it, because I do have a lot of friends that's managers and stuff, and I do have a lot of access to cars, and a lot of, you know, like a lot of people I used to work with, they're now managers at dealerships. So, you know, they allowed me to come and, you know, check out the vehicles, you know, so I can check out many vehicles for you guys, whatever I can get in my hands on too. But yeah, if it's something that y'all are interested in, that y'all want to see below, comment, and I'll do my best to try to get that in these upcoming walk-arounds. But yeah, but we out. Appreciate the love and support. Drop a like on this video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification, because I will be dropping videos basically Monday through Friday, and you know, giving an extra video to the people on my Patreon. So appreciate you guys. I'm out. See you guys.